So this is the 2015 Junior Cert Higher Level Paper 1, and we're looking at question number 3. Eleanor has a gross income of 38,500 for the year. She has an annual tax credit of €3,300. The standard rate cut-off point is 33,800, and the standard rate of income tax is 20%, and the higher rate is 40%. So part A says find Eleanor's net income for the year, i.e. after tax is paid. Okay, so we know her gross is 38,500, and we know that 33,800 of that will be taxed at the standard rate of 20%. So let's find that first. So 33,800. If we want to find 20% of that, we're going to multiply it by 0.20, or by 20% using the percent button in your calculator. So that gives us a value of 6,760. Okay, so now if we now want to find what's the rest of her gross income, that's going to be taxed at 40%. So let's find out the rest of her income. Well, 38,500 was her gross. So if we take away the 33,800, that leaves us with 4,700. Okay, so 4,700, that's how much is going to be taxed at the higher rate. So that much will be taxed at 40%. So the higher rate. And 4,700 at 40% is 1,880. €1,880. So we now have her two taxes at the different rates. So if we add them, we will get 8,640. Okay, so that's her gross tax at the two different rates added together, gross tax. Now, we know that she has a tax credit of 3,300, so we can take that away. So 8,640, take away her tax credits, because that cannot be taxed. And that leaves us with 5,340. So that's her net tax. Her tax after the credits have been taken away. So her net tax is 5,340. Well, then her net income will be the gross income, 38,500, minus her net tax. And that gives us a final answer of 33,160. So that's in euro, and that's her net income. Okay. Part B, Eleanor receives a pay rise. As a result, her net income for the year is 34,780. So part B says find Eleanor's new gross income for the year. Okay, so well, first we're going to find her net increase. So her net increase will be her new net income minus her old net income, which was from the previous 33160. Okay, so when we subtract them, we're left with 1620. So that's her net increase. Now, that 1620, well, her gross increase was taxed at the higher rate of 40%, which means this is the 60% left over. So this here is actually 60% of gross increase. So that's 60% of her gross increase, gross income increase. Sorry, gross income. Just to be clear, gross income increase. Okay, so if we want to find the full amount of the gross income increase, we are going to have to find 100% of this. So we'll find 1% first. So if 1620 is 60%, we divide it by 60 to give us 1%. So that's going to be 27. So 27 is 1% of, same as above there, of gross income increase. Okay, well then 100% would be 27 times 100 if that's 1%. So that gives us 2,700. So 2,700, that's 100% of gross income increase. So to go back to the question, it said find Eleanor's new gross income for the year. Well, her gross income would be this added to the gross income from the previous question. So the gross income was 38,500, so we're now just going to add the 2,700 to that. 38,500 plus 2,700, and that gives us an answer of 41,200. And again, that's in euro. And that's our final answer and the end of the question.